Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about different Finacle CBS versions. So till date, Infosys has released many Finacle versions. So we are going to have a basic view on those versions. So let us start with the different versions. So the first version was Finacle 1.0. So this was the initial version of Finacle, which was released in 1990s. Okay, and it was the beginning of Infosys in the journey of core banking software space. So Infosys has provided basic core banking modules in this initial versions. So after that, Infosys has released Finacle 2.0 and 3.0 with several enhancements to the core banking platforms. So those versions were including scalabilities, support for multiple currency. It was also supporting customer relationship management and some analytical modules for the better report generation. Okay, so after that, Finacle has released Finacle 7. So generally we call it as Finacle 7x. Okay, so this version was mostly used by bank during 90s and early 2000. Okay, so many of the private sector banks and public sector banks were using this particular version. So in this version, Infosys has provided a better user-friendly interfaces, you can say, multi-channel support and better security features. So now we are going to talk about Finacle 10x and Finacle 11x. Okay, so Finacle 10x is the advanced version of Finacle. So it is mostly used by the bank right now. So most of the banks have already upgraded to the latest version from Finacle 7 to Finacle 10x. Okay, so this Finacle 10x was totally changed with respect to user interface, user interaction. Okay, and also this version was supported with multiple different channels with multiple API support and better customer relationship management. Okay, Finacle 11, you can say this is the ongoing version which are currently in the enhancement, and some of the banks are using Finacle 11x. So Finacle 11 has a vast features that includes open banking API, support for multiple channels. It also support for cloud. Okay, so some of the Finacle 11 versions are deployed on the cloud also, and it supports blockchain integration. Okay, and biometric integration to the Finacle. All those kind of advanced features this particular version supports. So I hope you have received the basic idea of Finacle different versions. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please press the bell icon to get more updates on the latest technology and the enterprise software. You can also post your comments on the videos that we are posting. We are happy to help you out. Thank you.